Hey everybody, this is Wakefield with another video, and what I want to talk to y'all today about is the best brokerage apps. I'm going to talk about three that's really popular, and the first one is called Public. Public is an app where you can buy whole shares or you can buy fractional shares. So if you don't have a lot of money but still want to get in the stock market, which I suggest you should, you can buy fractional shares at a of about, I say, about 98% of the shares, something like that, that's on the stock market, where this New York Stock Exchange or NASDAQ. It's free to sign up. It's no minimum requirement deposit. You can get it on the Apple Store. You can get it on Google Play, and also when you sign up under my link, you're gonna get a free stock, and I get one as well. You just have to get whatever they give you, and also you can promote this thing to other people, and you can get a free share of stock too. Uh, you can also either get more than likely it's going to be a fractional share, but it's still worth it because you never know what stock they're going to give you. So Public is, like I say, I love this app most definitely. So you can't go wrong with it. Like I say, it's free to sign up. Okay, let me go to the next one. The next one is Robinhood. Public is not as known as Robinhood is. Robinhood is awesome too, and they've recently started offering fractional shares. So you don't have to purchase a whole share. You can get you a fractional share, and also you can get a debit card where you can withdraw, whatever money you get in there out of there. Matter of fact, mine is on the way right now. And like I say, you can recruit people, and you're going to get a share of stock, a fraction of share, that is. Let me be clear about that. The value of your fractional share will be worth anywhere from $2.50 up to $200. So Robinhood is a great place. You can also, with Robinhood, invest in cryptocurrency as well. And also, you can get it on the Google Play Store, and you can get it, you see fractional shares disclosure. See, so they offer fractional shares, invest in thousands of shares with as little as $1. Like I say, you can get this on Google Play or the Apple Store. So Robinhood is free to join, just like Public is. Okay. Now the third one, I hope my computer is not about to act slow, but it's looking like it is. But I'm gonna go ahead and talk about it anyway, since I can't go to the page. The third one I mean is called Webull. Now Webull, you can also get it either on the App Store or you can get it on Google Play. Yeah, there we go. You see right there, enjoy tech, enjoy investing. Enjoy investing, zero commissions and no deposit minimums. Also, it's no deposit minimum on Robinhood too. I left that out. But yeah. Also, right here, you can really capitalize because you can join this for free, set up your account. And on here, you're going to get free whole stock, because this one right here doesn't do fractional shares as of yet, but that could change, because Robinhood at first didn't do fractional shares. So but yeah, Webull, like I say, they don't do whole shares right now. They don't do they don't do fractional shares right now. So 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 you can just get whole shares, but yeah, the thing about this one right here is if you invest $100, you can get 2 free shares up to $1,400. So that's good too. And like I said, you can get this one on Google Play, and you can get this on the Apple Store. So you definitely want to hop on Webull, and you definitely want to hop on Robinhood and Public, and they all three free to join, and you can start referring people to get your free either fractional shares with Robinhood and Public, or you can get your free whole shares with Webull. And like I say, starting out right now, with Webull, they might not be, they're not doing fractional shares, but eventually they might start. They're just doing whole shares. But I will say Webull is very popular. All of them got real good tools. And what I like about Public is they got a social network built into the app, and all of them customer service is great too. So with that being said, make sure you click on the links below to sign up for free and get started investing now with as little as $1. So all three of these are win-win, and there's never been more wealth built any kind of way on earth than in the stock market. So that being said, make sure you like the video, subscribe, and set up those free trading accounts on either Google Play or the App Store. Y'all have a wonderful, blessed day. Peace.